Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ka Sorkar Pdeng ubadai pet yakatanat Law and Justice ukiran Rijiju hagas ngisat jan ulaong bakadai ka kamram jong uwe pa uwe unangkit kam kaseng BJP banlet Ïaroh Paidbah Halor ki Skhim balamang da ka Sorkar Pdeng habakren syakilat pathai khubor hasilong Rijiju ulaong baki Paidbah ki dai bantem baka Sorkar Pdeng kalale shibun ki kam ban pen mento yaki Ulaong balada Ïaroh syaki Paidbah Halor ki jingtrai kam ka Sorkar ki Paidbah ru ken sa Ïaroh ya ka Sorkar.
Party in charge, because we are a cadre-based party, the organizational in charge, they look after party organizational matter and they report to the central authority as and when it is required. But my only appeal is, as a democratic setup, opinions may differ. You know, a person's opinion may have a different from the another's point of view, but it's a teamwork. We need to work together. If we coexist peacefully, if we work together, we move together, then we will progress together. So progress of the party depends on how united we are. So there may be a few differences, but that is not called division, or that is not a big problem. It's all internal matter which are easy to be sorted out. It's a very important point, and that is a primary duty of every BJP worker. Today also I told our BJP friends before the media came that it is the duty of every BJP member to ensure that the schemes which are provided under the union budget and programs and policies of the Narendra Modi government, number one, must reach out to the people. Number two, people should know that central government has taken such huge steps for the benefits and welfare of the common people. So if we tell these things to people, then people will appreciate the government.